Now we're shifting from sorting to selling. When you have contents to sell, let's say you have some collectibles, whether it be fine jewelry, a watch collection, baseball cards, stamps, fine art, certain antiques, something that was handed down through the generations and that you now have, even signed baseballs. That was one of my clients' collection. It is a good idea to have it appraised by a subject matter expert. So we have an appraiser that we work with, and she came into that 100-year house and she took pictures of leather bound books that when we opened them up very delicately, they were dated 1861. She took pictures of all of those things, of some of the antiques, because we knew they were 100 years old. And she had them sent to the various experts across the country. And then they put together a report and stated what the value at auction would be for those items. We were working with a lawyer on that downsizing project. And like all of us, they wanted to make sure that nothing was overlooked and sold at the estate sale. But let's say it was something like an Andy Warhol or something that shouldn't just sell at an estate sale. It should sell at an auction to collectors that will pay the most money. So this is an extra step to integrate in the downsizing process, just to make sure that you are optimizing that value at sale. We have an estate sale manager, Tony, and Tony will come through and he will be able to assess whether there are enough contents and enough value to hold an estate sale. And the thing to kind of the rule of thumb is he's looking for $10,000 minimum of gross receipts. So he'll go through and calculate, knowing what sells, what's hot, what's not hot, what's selling for what prices, and he'll be able to give an opinion on whether an estate sale would be possible or not. Now, let's say most of your belongings are going to either go to family members or to your new Snowbird Sunshine House. And let's say you're only left with a handful of things that you would like to sell and not donate. My recommendation is to use Facebook Marketplace to sell these items. I have a Facebook Marketplace advertising cheat sheet that I put together with step-by-step instructions. So if you are interested in receiving that, would you please put in the chat just FB, and then we'll make sure that that gets emailed over to you. This is one of the easiest ways. I know Craigslist used to be a thing, but due to security concerns, I really would like to recommend Facebook.